What's the measure of life? It's your heartbeat. It's the key sign of how hard your body is working to keep you alive, under extremes, underground, even out in space. And one Kiwi company can tell you exactly how hard that is.
So you're just going to crank up the speed a bit for you now.
Zephyr Technologies are an Auckland company that has developed the bioharness to measure life.
It's a product that can monitor your vital signs, and we do that by using this strap here, which has got smart fabric sensors in it. We design these little bits of electronics here which click on the side, and then you wear the strap on the body and it can tell you about your heart rate, your breathing rate, your activity. So am I running, am I walking, your posture, am I lying down, standing up, hanging upside down from a tree, and it can also tell you your temperature. Well, we have two sets of equipment. Basically, the gold standard for measuring someone's respiration and ECG is a monitor like this, a spirometer, and an ECG machine. And so to prove that our device is as good, if not better, than one of those, we put on the gold standard device and compare it to our bioharness. And that way we know how good our bioharness is. And what we found actually through testing is a bioharness, because of the algorithms we use in software, can determine heart rate often more accurately than an ECG machine because it's more designed for the purpose. You know, all those wires moving around an ECG machine aren't as comfortable or not designed to touch the skin as well as the bioharness will. Basically, a bioharness is a lab on a strap.
The bioharness features a wireless transmitter for communicating with mobile phones or long-range radios, so that the user can be monitored remotely from hundreds of meters away.
We can see, just from the bioharness device, we can obviously see his activity, his breathing rate and his heart rate.
The bioharness is now in its third generation. While it started with athletes, the bioharness now saves lives. It's a medical lifeline for soldiers, rescue workers or firefighters, where a commander can tell immediately if any one of the team is pushing their physical limits. It also detects activity level and posture, so they know if there's a man down. The 29 men in the Chilean mine disaster wore the bioharness throughout the rescue.
The Chilean miner thing came about, obviously the disaster happened and those guys were struck down there. The doctors were looking for a way, how could we monitor these guys, make sure that they're healthy and okay. We came to the fore with our solution. This product was on basically all of those miners, both down the mine and as they brought them up.
The bioharness is worn for long periods of time in extreme conditions, so it has to be comfortable as well as extremely tough.
We do some drop testing, temperature testing, water ingress, vibration. For the water, we put it at 1 meter deep for half an hour. We throw it on a concrete surface 100 times, and we check that the electronic is still working and the mechanic is still there, so everything's okay.
Funding from the Ministry of Science and Innovation is now helping to integrate biosensors directly into clothes, and led to a hookup with billion-dollar US company Under Armour for use in American football.
This is a compression garment with a breathing and heart rate sensor and accelerometer all built in. What Zephyr's trying to do is to bring physiology to the world, a lab on a strap, take all that technology that only people with lots of money can afford and put it down to something that you can give to everyone.